Hill Strike Snow Trike. Ever wondered what happens when a mountain bike meets the slopes? The Hill Strike Snow Trike takes winter sports to a whole new level, fusing the precision of biking with the adrenaline of downhill skiing. Built on a lightweight 6082T6 aluminum frame, this snow trike is engineered for strength, balance, and control. It's 3 directional skis, each about 35 inches long, with a full wood core and steel edges, deliver incredible grip and smooth carving on any slope. The rear articulating parallelogram system mimics the motion of skiing, letting riders lean, carve, and flow through snow with bike-like control. Up front, the X-Fusion RC 32 boost suspension fork with 5 inches of travel soaks up bumps and impacts, making every ride stable and responsive, even on rugged terrain. Zoom shoes. Forget walking. It's time to glide. The Zoom shoes redefine personal mobility, turning every step into a smooth electric ride. Each skate is powered by a 350-watt motor that responds to your body's balance. Just lean forward to accelerate or lean back to stop. Weighing only 7 pounds apiece, they're ultra-portable and TSA approved, so you can slip them into your backpack and take them anywhere. With a top speed of 8 miles per hour and a range of up to 7 miles per charge, Zoom shoes are perfect for city streets, college campuses, or even the office floor. A full charge takes just 2 hours using the dual snake charger, giving you up to 2 hours of ride time. Sego Solar Charger. Born from space innovation and built for the wild, the Sego Solar Charger is where NASA-grade engineering meets everyday adventure. Developed by Utah-based Sego Innovations, this foldable, origami-inspired solar charger turns sunlight into pure power wherever you go. Using high-efficiency sun-power monocrystalline cells, it delivers up to 25 watts of clean energy, enough to charge a smartphone in about 1 to 2 hours, a tablet in 3 to 4, or a 10,000 mAh power bank in as little as 3.5 hours. Compact yet tough, the Sego is designed to handle the elements, whether you're backpacking deep into the mountains or setting up camp off the grid. Its modular connector box keeps it compatible with everything from phones to cameras and GPS gear, ensuring your devices stay powered no matter how far you roam. Festo Bionic Bee. Festo Bionic Bee captures the grace of a real honeybee and transforms it into precision robotics. Created by Festo's Bionic Learning Network, this ultralight microdrone weighs just 1.2 ounces and measures 8.7 inches long with a 9.4-inch wingspan, making it the smallest flying system the network has ever built. Each Bionic Bee flies using flapping wings driven by a brushless motor that beats 15 to 20 times per second, generating lift and control through an intricate 180-degree wing motion. Equipped with onboard sensors and micro-actuators, it can hover, turn, and navigate with lifelike agility. But what truly sets it apart is its swarm intelligence. Multiple bionic bees can coordinate like a hive, performing synchronized flight patterns for automated pollination, crop monitoring, and indoor inspections. Air Ring Mask by Biolab. What if you could breathe crystal clear air without ever covering your face? Meet the Air Ring Mask by Biolab, a breakthrough in personal air purification that replaces traditional masks with next-generation comfort and performance. Worn like a lightweight collar, the Air Ring creates an invisible bubble of clean air around your face. At its core, a motorized blower draws in surrounding air and pushes it through a multi-stage filtration system, including a foam pre-filter, N95 grade HEPA filter, UVC LED sterilization, and a titanium dioxide photocatalytic layer that destroys harmful microbes and pollutants. Running for up to 8 hours on a single charge, and even longer when connected to a USB power bank, it's built for travelers, commuters, and anyone navigating polluted environments. Soundwave Fire Extinguisher. Imagine extinguishing a fire not with foam or chemicals, but with sound. The Soundwave Fire Extinguisher does exactly that, using low-frequency sound waves between 30 and 60 Hz to snuff out flames in less than a second. By generating powerful acoustic vibrations, it disrupts the oxygen surrounding the fire, cutting off its fuel source instantly. No residue, no toxic agents, just clean, controlled physics in action. Compact, portable, and completely eco-friendly, This device represents a groundbreaking shift in firefighting technology. Google DeepMind Table Tennis Robot. In a breakthrough that blurs the line between machine learning and athletic skill, Google DeepMind has created a robotic system that can rally at an amateur human level and win. Built around the $110,000 ABBIRB 1100 robotic arm with a custom 3D printed paddle, this AI-powered player uses vision tracking, motion prediction, and reinforcement learning to master the game of table tennis. Its sensors calculate ball spin, speed, and angle in milliseconds, allowing it to react with uncanny precision. Trained first in simulation and then refined through real-world matches, the robot now executes forehands, backhands, and topspin returns like a seasoned player, even claiming victories against intermediate opponents. Autofuel robotic refueling system. Imagine pulling into a station and never stepping out of your car. That's the convenience the Autofuel robotic refueling system delivers. Developed in Denmark, this fully automated system uses a precision robotic arm to locate your car's fuel port, open it, refuel, and close it again, all without human contact. Mounted beside existing dispensers, Autofuel requires no vehicle modifications and can operate alongside traditional pumps, giving drivers the choice between manual or automated refueling. Once the tank is full, the arm safely retracts the nozzle, seals the cap, closes the door, and signals with a green light that you're good to go. Seamless, hygienic, and efficient, the Autofuel system represents the next evolution in refueling, turning what was once a routine chore into a fully automated, contactless experience built for modern fleets and everyday drivers alike. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 isn't just an aircraft, it's your own personal flying machine. Created by Swedish company Jetson Aero, this single-seat electric eVTOL is built for pure freedom in the sky. Its lightweight H-shaped aluminum and carbon fiber frame is powered by 8 electric motors producing 102 horsepower, giving it the ability to take off vertically like a drone and cruise at over 60 miles per hour for up to 20 minutes. Safety is engineered into every detail, from LiDAR-based obstacle detection and auto-stabilization to a ballistic parachute that deploys in emergencies. Designed to fly up to 1,500 feet and carry pilots up to 210 pounds, it's as intuitive as it is thrilling, controlled entirely by a simple joystick. Aleph Model A. When traffic grinds to a halt, the Aleph Model A doesn't wait, it takes off. Developed by California-based Aleph Aeronautics, this revolutionary all-electric vehicle is the first flying car approved for limited road and air use by the FAA. Designed for both urban and intercity travel, it drives like a car, then lifts vertically to soar above congestion with seamless control. Powered by an 85 kilowatt-hour battery and 8 concealed propellers, the Model A delivers a road range of 200 miles and an airborne range of 110 miles, cruising at speeds up to 110 miles per hour in the air. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame weighs under 850 pounds, while a gimbaled cabin keeps passengers perfectly upright as the vehicle rotates mid-flight into a sleek biplane configuration. With advanced stabilization software, collision avoidance sensors, and a vertical takeoff time under 30 seconds, the Aleph Model A isn't just innovation, it's the beginning of a new era in personal mobility, where the sky truly becomes your highway. Xpeng X2. When the Xpeng X2 lifts off, it feels like watching tomorrow take flight. This sleek two-seater eVTOL from Chinese tech giant Xpeng is built entirely from carbon fiber, keeping its empty weight to just 794 pounds, while packing the power of 8 electric motors and propellers. Designed for low-altitude city travel, the X2 soars up to 1,000 meters and cruises comfortably between 300 and 500 meters. Ideal for avoiding urban congestion below, it can reach speeds up to 81 miles per hour and stay airborne for around 35 minutes per charge, making it a perfect blend of performance and practicality for short-range aerial commutes. With both autonomous and manual flight modes, it offers a futuristic hands-free experience or direct pilot control when needed. Safety comes first. The X2 includes a fully integrated parachute system for emergency descent, giving passengers peace of mind as they glide silently above the skyline. ProDrone P D6B drone. ProDrone PD6B takes industrial drones to an entirely new level, merging raw power with robotic intelligence. This heavy-duty aerial platform features dual robotic arms that can grip, lift, and manipulate objects mid-air, tasks once thought impossible for drones. Weighing just under 45 pounds, the PD6B carries payloads up to 22 pounds, reaches speeds around 37 miles per hour, and climbs to altitudes of nearly 3 miles. Its modular frame and weather-resistant build make it mission-ready for everything from search and rescue to hazardous material handling and infrastructure inspection. With up to 30 minutes of flight time and autonomous navigation capability, the PD6B combines drone agility with mechanical dexterity, setting a new benchmark for what aerial robotics can do in the real world. Zapata Flyboard Air. Imagine strapping on a backpack and literally taking off into the sky like a superhero. That's exactly what the Zapata Flyboard Air delivers. Developed by French inventor Frankie Zapata, this jet-powered hoverboard is propelled by 5 small, redundant turbine engines fueled by kerosene from a backpack tank, generating a staggering 1,500 horsepower. The Flyboard Air lets a pilot soar untethered, reaching speeds of 93 to 110 miles per hour, and altitudes up to 10,000 feet, with flight durations of up to 10 minutes. It became a global sensation when Zapata crossed the English Channel in under 25 minutes, proof that personal jet flight isn't science fiction anymore. EHang EH216 Flying Taxi. The EHang EH216 electric air taxi completed a 31-mile route from Shenzhen to Zhuhai in just 20 minutes, a trip that normally takes over 2 hours by car. Designed for urban air mobility, this autonomous 2-passenger aircraft uses 16 independent electric motors mounted across 8 arms, ensuring redundancy and safety in flight. With a cruise speed of 62 miles per hour, a max speed of 81 miles per hour, and a range of 22 miles per charge, the EH216 climbs up to 1,600 feet while navigating city airspace using advanced GPS and flight control systems. Its maximum payload is 485 pounds, making it practical for 2 passengers. Segway Navimo X390. Your lawn perfectly mowed without lifting a finger. The Segway Navimo X390 tackles lawns up to 2.5 acres with a maximum coverage of 3 acres. It uses AI-powered navigation and obstacle detection for precise, wire-free mowing. Its 12.8 ampere-hour battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous mowing and recharges fully in about 100 minutes. Equipped with a 6-blade rotary system, a cutting width of 9.3 inches, and adjustable heights from 2 to 4 inches, the X390 covers 3,445 square feet per hour, keeping your lawn perfectly trimmed with 0 effort. Lazzarini Royal Alpha 1. Step aboard the Lazzarini Royal Alpha 1, where futuristic engineering meets timeless Italian luxury. Its carbon fiber and glass hull gleams in black, green, and silver, while the upper deck's glass-bottom hot tub lets you gaze into the sea below. Inside, the cabin rivals a private jet. Plush leather, light wood finishes, and a minimalist open-plan layout with 3 private suites. Twin Volvo IPS 950 engines push this yacht to 46 miles per hour, but you can also opt for hydrogen propulsion for a zero-emission experience. With room for 20 passengers, the Royal Alpha 1 isn't just a yacht, it's a floating masterpiece of art, performance, and sustainability. Tucker Snowcat. When the world freezes over, most vehicles fail, but the Tucker Snowcat thrives. This 4-track snow machine is handcrafted in Oregon and trusted by Arctic explorers, rescue teams, and scientists. Its independent tracks deliver unbeatable traction on powder, ice, and steep slopes, climbing angles up to 60 degrees while carrying heavy cargo. Inside, the cabin keeps the crew warm and operational in sub-zero conditions, blending rugged durability with thoughtful design. The Tucker Snowcat doesn't just survive the snow, it dominates it. Pool Live AR System. Step into the future of billiards with the Pool Live AR system. This augmented reality setup transforms any pool, snooker, or billiards table into a high-tech playground. Overhead cameras capture the table in real time, while advanced software calculates the angles, trajectories, and cue ball physics with pinpoint accuracy. Then, a projector overlays the predicted paths directly onto the felt, showing you exactly where the ball will go. No setup, no guesswork, just an interactive, futuristic experience that looks and feels astonishingly real. Whether you're a pro refining your shot or just here for fun, Pool Live AR turns every game into an augmented reality spectacle. Wall Crawling Crawler Robot. Imagine a robot that climbs walls, pipes, and even inverted surfaces with absolute precision. The Wall Crawling Crawler Robot does exactly that. Able to carry up to 100 pounds, this rugged, track-based climber is engineered for industrial inspection, maintenance, and rescue missions where humans simply can't reach. Magnetic adhesion and powerful motors let it scale vertical and inclined surfaces effortlessly, turning the impossible into routine. Compact, durable, and highly capable, this crawler proves the future of climbing belongs to machines. Bellwether Oryx EVTOL. Imagine commuting above city streets, quiet, clean, and faster than ever. The Bellwether Oryx makes it possible. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, hails from London and features a wingless, enclosed propulsion system that slices through the air with minimal noise and turbulence. Sleek, futuristic, and efficient, the Oryx carries one pilot and 2 passengers, with a 4-seater version already on the horizon. Bellwether aims for a cruise speed of 87 miles per hour and flight times between 60 and 90 minutes, making trips like Heathrow to Canary Wharf possible in just 8 minutes, down from nearly an hour on the ground. With safety, elegance, and sustainability at its core, the Oryx shows us what urban air mobility can really be. Twicycle Dual Drive Bicycle. Meet the Twicycle, where cycling becomes a full-body experience. Unlike conventional bikes that rely solely on your legs, this dual-drive bicycle lets you pedal with both arms and legs at the same time. Every push and pull is converted into forward power, engaging your upper and lower body in perfect sync. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum or carbon fiber, the Twicycle is precise, balanced, and smooth, whether you're sprinting down asphalt roads or powering up steep hills. It's not just exercise, it's a revolution in cycling, turning every ride into a total body workout. Ural Gear Up. Ural Gear Up roars through a blizzard of mud and snow, its sidecar clawing for traction as it tackles trails most motorcycles wouldn't dare touch. At its heart, a 749 cubic centimeter air-cooled boxer engine churns out 41 horsepower and 42 pound-feet of torque, paired with modern throttle body fuel injection for precise control under any condition. The 4-speed manual transmission, coupled with a dedicated reverse lever, lets you maneuver tight off-road obstacles effortlessly, while the selectable 2-wheel drive powers the sidecar wheel for unstoppable grip on sand, snow, or gravel. Knobby tires, protective skid plates, and high-mounted exhausts turn this $22,000 beast into a battle-ready, rugged touring machine built for the wildest adventures. Escape Robotic Massage System. Escape Robotic Massage System awakens the sensation of a personal masseuse without a single human hand, as dual robotic arms glide across your body with AI-guided precision. Its 3D body scanning, motion tracking, and over 100 pressure sensors map every curve and tension point, delivering a fully personalized massage that adapts in real time. Pneumatic pressure, thermal modulation, and adaptive grip control mimic human muscle work with perfect consistency, while the aluminum chassis and soft-touch silicone surfaces move with quiet, fluid motion. This fully automated smart table brings on-demand therapy to a new level, combining advanced robotics and licensed massage techniques to deliver a repeatable, immersive full-body experience that feels both intuitive and transformative. Gladiator 4x4 Electric Utility Vehicle. The Gladiator 4x4 electric utility vehicle storms into the wild as a compact electric powerhouse built for those who refuse limits. Driven by 4 independent motors, 1 per wheel, it conquers mud, snow, and rock with surgical traction and agility. Its 16-kilowatt power system pushes up to 30 miles per hour with a 65-mile range, giving adventurers or workers all-day endurance off the grid. Weighing just 230 pounds, It's lightweight yet brutally strong, supported by advanced shock absorbers and oversized ATV tires for a smooth, stable ride. A digital display shows speed and battery life in real time, while LED lighting and built-in safety features make it the ultimate off-road companion.